heard about the Chernobyl case, you can go research on it. It was a nuclear plant that exploded and caused a lot of radiation and blah blah blah, and people died and spawn secrecy and all those mysteries and stuff happened and blah blah. Yeah. Guys, yeah, this is your boy Wabbit here, man. Welcome to another vlog. Yeah, so in my recent vlog, the work I did, I just had an alert. Yeah, the money has dropped. So let's see what I'm going to use the money for. Yo, what's up, bro? Man, the sun is out. We're going to, is there a lake or a river or a pool, whatever. We are going to the beach. the beach in Sumy. Yo, you guys say hi to the cameraman. Yeah, to compound bar. Yo, levu. Apple shake. My French is on point. My French is on point. My French is on point. Why is that your mirror? Oh boy! Location unknown. Hidden location.
That's my son, my home, my boss, it's the one man thousand.
Someone commented on YouTube and on my channel asking about the Chernobyl case, Chernobyl's case, and how it affects us here. Like, do we still feel any effects? Blah blah blah. He's an American, so I think he just watched the Chernobyl series, I think documentary series on HBO. I think it was dramatized. Explained, but it happened way long ago. I think before I was even born it happened. And like, man, I've also watched it, man. It's pretty scary something. If you haven't heard about the Chernobyl case, you can go research on it. It was a nuclear plant that exploded and caused a lot of radiation and blah blah blah, and people died and born secrecy and all those mysteries and stuff happened and blah blah. Yeah. So right now, I'm in Sumy. Chernobyl is like close to Kiev. I think that's why the ghost town is Privyet, whatever his name is. I don't know. But now it's we don't really feel anything. We don't. Most of us here don't even know about it. So the movie was out.